I don't play Karpov anymore. I don't play. Well, that happened, and that was the end of my chess career. Also did their best to secure Karpov's victory.
Did you feel that he started to be afraid when you came back at 5-5?
No, no.
You are losing the match by -3, and you come by at 5-5. Is it correct?
Yeah.
Yes. How, in such a championship, you can come back and to win 3.5 out of 4 against Karpov at the time, who was very, very strong?
Well, it's difficult to say. But the Soviets also did their best to secure Karpov's victory. In the year 1999, one small small officer of the Soviet Secret Service, KGB, moved to England, and there he wrote the book with his files, what he made during his work in the KGB, and then there was sentence. 17 officers of KGB had been sent to Philippines in order to secure Karpov's victory against Kochny. So they were, well, it was very, very far from the Soviet Union, and I hope that because of that so far, the Soviets would not work too hard to help Karpov. But everything had been done in order to provide his victory.